Welcome to this second lecture of week 12. This presentation focuses on the following: the format and content of annual financial reports, inadequacies of reporting, and the evaluation of fiscal health. The introduction section of the annual report should contain a letter of transmittable to the accounting officer and also a letter from this officer to the cabinet or general public in which the changes in financial policies and the important areas of financial management are briefly described. Other information can be included in the comprehensive annual financial report. This can be a description of the reporting governmental entity as well as an organizational chart. Additional reports can be amended to the annual reports. The opinion of the independent auditor or other required post-audit should also be included. A number of concerns are raised from time to time about financial reporting in the public sector. It must be kept in mind that the expenditure reporting system that is currently used in the public sector emphasizes the acquisition of goods and services rather than their use in terms of how much is consumed or for what purpose. Hence, the system has too many deficiencies, and some of them are: it is not possible to determine the cost of services, the financial report of government are distorted, there is no system to measure capital maintenance, and finally, the heavy emphasis on budgetary compliance does not facilitate meaningful information reporting. Interest and concern about the fiscal health of public institutions can be noted from reports in the media and public opinion in general. The fiscal problems of provincial governments in South Africa during the past few years are of serious concern. Strict fiscal discipline is necessary to change the situation and give credibility to national government. The government evaluates fiscal health by producing and publishing a yearly budget review, a national expenditure survey, and an intergovernmental fiscal review. For the budget review, the government provides an updated and more detailed account of macroeconomic developments than the budget itself and an overview of trends in public finances. The National Expenditure Survey is a separate review of the national budget expenditure estimates and is complementary to the estimate of expenditure that must be defrayed from the national revenue funds. And an intergovernmental fiscal review analyzes and reflects provincial and local government fiscal trends.